boat. I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look.
You moving in?
Nope, moving on. On the lake.
So we're on a boat, guys. For legit real.
Where's our map? You got our map?
Who had a map?
I had a map.
I had a map. Here it is.
Where we going?
I don't know where you guys want to go.
I don't know.
How's that sandwich?
It's surprisingly delicious. It's amazing the food you'll settle for to get to go out on the water.
Good call on these pretzels.
Hell yeah.
You look good. Look at
feel
that
good.
tan. We all took our shoes off. Hashtag lake life. Oh, this sitting like this is giving me a cramp.
Bug, what? Are you frightened?
No, I'm relaxed.
You're good now?
Yeah, it's not tipping near as much. Nobody come to the... What side of the boat is this?
Starboard!
Starboard side. What's the other side? Did we catch a snapper?
Look at how boaty she is!
Look at me being boaty. My butt crack hanging out. Am I butt crack boaty?
I need you to row harder. I need you to stop rowing. And I need you to row harder.
I liked it when you said, more amber, more...
Okay, more amber. Oh no, we've 316. More amber, more amber. All right, both hard. Well, it's there. Oh, our motor. We made it. Beautiful day, beautiful day.